Here at Passagrow, it's a medium tide. I see a beautiful horse conch attached to this rock. Some banded tulips. Trying to look for some knuckles around here so we can find a big one. Olive. There's lots of shell piles in the rocks. You see the tiniest little banded tulip right here. Oh, it's a hermit crab. He's already too big for his shell. So cute. And a little periwinkle I just saw, but I don't know where it disappeared to. A little oyster drill, also a hermie. Oh, a crab for my boy. See a little horse conch knuckle sticking out. It's a small guy. Let's see if he's alive. Oh, that's a pretty nice one. Empty. Look at this nice lightning whelk with this cool anemone on it. And then, see, this is why you really gotta check, because I saw hermit in here earlier. Now he's hiding so good. But obviously wouldn't take it because this part's alive, but still super cool. Super cool hermit crab in here. You see his little claws. Hey, buddy. So many shells washing up today. Beautiful banded tulip. Another one right next to it. Cute little apple murex.
I need this.
Look at this cool little hairy crabs we found.
Is it so hairy?
It's marginella.
That's so hairy. Mom!
Look at this pear It's a little broken. Drill. You see a little bit of a lightning whelk sticking out.
So deep over there.
Oh. Oh, wow. This is a big one. It's a little broken, but